Welcome to Emirates Park Zoo in Abu Dhabi. We are so excited to share our experience with you. We're gonna have breakfast with the giraffes. OMG, at first we were so scared. But the giraffes are very friendly. Did you know a group of giraffes is called a tower?
Don't worry, they're going to wash our hands. Because that's supposed to be the way the
Let's go and explore the zoo and feed other animals. These were our guides who took us around the zoo. They were awesome. Wow! Look at that hippo's mouth. It's huge.
Ajuma is trying to behave. Come on, Ajuma. Come on, this way, position. Why don't you see a lot of you?
OMG, did you see that?
Remember we saw a camel at school? Yeah. A big thumbs up for Emirates Park Zoo. We finished off the morning with a drumming experience.
We danced and played the drums. It was super fun.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. That's the one. 1, 2, 3.
If you liked our video, give it a big thumbs up and like and subscribe.